Oh, hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you something. I think Nano Banana Pro is mental because I've set up a wee image. I didn't take the subscription yet because it doesn't affect my landscape photography, obviously. It's just for playing about with the Nano Banana and Firefly, Adobe Firefly. So what I've done is I've just took a wee bit, I watched a wee video on Photoshop training channel. The Photoshop training channel is quite good, so if you've not seen it, type it in and have a look at it. And I've done this off the back of that, so it's just two images that I've took, and I'm just going to click record screen here. Right, so I'll bring up Photoshop. Now I've got some images here that I've taken. As you can see, the first one here on the left is my wife. I've taken in 2007 when I was doing my college course, and the other one is a snow leopard. The snow leopard was taken last year at the Three Sisters Zoo, and I thought, you know what, Nano Banana and Firefly could sort this out for me. So I'll show you what I've done in Nano Banana, which is mental. I think it's mental. So we'll go back into Firefly. This is Firefly. Now I've loaded the two images in, as you can see, and all I did in the prompt was I wrote in woman cuddling snow leopard. So all I would write in woman cuddle. So then I would just click generate. Now, I've not got any generates. You get 5 free generates, so you can just have a wee play about with it if you're not got something to do at any point in time. And this is the reason why I'm not getting out this week. I've been a bit busy. So I'll switch that off and we'll go back into Photoshop. Here, Photoshop. Now, I'll show you, there's the two images obviously that I've put together. I wrote that in the prompt, and the prompt came up with this. Is that no clever? That's crazy, because you still get the fingers, still get the old paint on it. It's crazy, and it's really sharp. It looks realistic. Not to be. It's crazy. But anyway, I said it's mental. That is mental. What you can do. And is this the end of Photoshop? Because if you think about a lot of magazines that don't want to be able to hire a photographer, set up a shoot, all you need to do is type it in, pay your £10 a month and create as many generations as you want to, basically. I've not paid it yet. I've not subscribed. But I want to, but I don't want to. Should I? No. I'll leave it now. I like photography the way photography is. But I just wanted to show you this because it's the future. All the young ones will be doing it. It'll save a lot of money in the industry, but it won't help us as photographers, unfortunately. It's good for creating things that maybe you sell cards or whatever and you want to create cards, etc. But that's my take on this Nano Banana Firefly. So have a wee look at it. And you also go to the Photoshop training channel. It's quite a good channel. It shows you a lot of tips. Well, thanks for watching this wee video. It's a very short video. It's 5 minutes. I'll say it's a short. Catch you next week. And you might be asking, where's this week's video? Don't worry, normal service will resume next week. Work, unfortunately. I'll catch you next week somewhere else.